Welcome everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to install our Windows-based interactive teacher software, mozaBook, how to create a local mozaBook user, and how to access books within mozaBook. If you're a registered user, the first step is to log in to mozaweb.com with your username and password. After logging in, it's important to check that your account is linked to the institution or school where you work. The easiest way to do that is to click on your name and look at the drop-down menu. If you see Enter Institution on the menu, that means your account is not linked to an institution. So, click on Add Institution to take care of that before you download the mozaBook program. You can specify the institution by entering the name of the institution or the institution ID. Click on the Save button and you're done. This is important since if you'd like to assign homework to your students, both you and your students need to be linked to the same institution. The next step is to go to the Shop menu and select mozaBook under Educational Software. Then, click on the green Download mozaBook icon. Now you need to choose whether you want to download the full installer or the minimum installer. We recommend the full installer. If you choose the minimum installer, you will need to download all the necessary files later after installing the program. We suggest you only choose the minimum installer if your internet connection is relatively slow. Select the fastest server from the list of servers, then click on the green button to start the download. Once the download is complete, launch the installer and follow the instructions to complete the installation. Once it's complete, you will see a yellow icon on your desktop. Click on it to start mozaBook. This is the first screen you will see. Now enter the license code here. You can find a free license code in the video description below, which you can use until June 2020. Then, click on the Activate button to activate the program. You can set up your mozaWeb account on the next page. If you've already registered on mozaWeb, enter the email address and password that you used on the website. Click on Sign In. You can now see small white windows. These are help windows. You'll also hear a sound, which you can turn down. These windows will guide you through the most important steps at the beginning. Later, they can also be opened by clicking on the question mark icon and selecting the Quick Tips menu if you'd like to read them again. Then, all you have to do is select the avatar you like. You will then be asked for a local password. This can be the same password you used to log in to your mozaWeb account, or you can enter a customized password. Now just accept the terms of use and create your account. The first publication that appears is Getting Started, which is basically the manual for the software. This manual can be opened at any time if you get stuck while you're using the program. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find a bookshelf, which contains all the books and maps available in your country. You can find any book you want to use here easily. Or you can use the search icon to look for the publication by title or publisher code. There are different filters. You can filter by grade and subject. As you can see, the book becomes active as it is being downloaded. As it appears, you need to restart mozaBook to open this publication. You can click on Open and Restart. Now just wait a bit until mozaBook restarts. Now it's ready, so you can open the book. Under the title of the book, you can see how many extras the book contains. 3D animations, videos, audio files, and pictures. The help windows pop up again. And you can also use the quick launch menu if you want to open a book, create an exercise book, or use a browser. You can easily navigate through the book using the scroll arrows. As you can see, if you use the small icons on the margin of the pages, you can open the extras. Thank you for your attention. I recommend everyone watch our tutorial videos to learn about mozaBook and mozaWeb. If you need further information, please go to our website at mozaweb.com and scroll down the page to find the Can We Help You menu item. Click on it and write to us at our customer support page.